Hold on to your seats because this Jungle Tale's got a wild twist. Amidst the rustling leaves and distant roars, a tiny lion cub finds himself surrounded by a troop of mischievous monkeys. Just when all hope seems lost, a majestic tiger strides onto the scene. With a fierce growl and a mighty leap, the tiger sends the monkeys scurrying away. The tiger, with the gentlest nudge, guides the trembling cub back to his pride. The lion cub's family welcomes him with open paws, and our courageous tiger, he melts back into the jungle, a silent guardian of the wild. Heroes come in all stripes, sometimes quite literally.